Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Suzuki GSX-R600. This Supersport just arrived with only 13,750 miles. Beautiful blue and white racing livery. It's got Brembo brakes up front, fully adjustable suspension. This bike is in gorgeous shape. Come on by and make your super sport dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.